Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the best loaded baked potatoes. Okay, so here I have my potatoes. I already washed them and dried them. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're just going to poke them with a fork. I'm just using russet potatoes. You could use any potato that you want. And the reason we do this is so that they don't explode. So just prick them. Okay, next one. Okay, I'm just gonna do that to all of my potatoes. All right, so I finished pricking all of my potatoes. Okay, so I'm just gonna brush all my potatoes with oil and rub them all over so that we get that crispy exterior. Okay. There we go. And then what you want to do next is you want to salt them. You don't want to put too much, just enough to give it that salted look. All right, so I already preheated my oven to 450 degrees. We're gonna place them directly on the oven rack for 45 minutes. Just placing all of my potatoes directly on the rack. We're just gonna close the oven and let it cook for 45 minutes. All right, so it's been 45 minutes and my potatoes are almost done. My potatoes were very big, so 45 minutes was not enough. I'm gonna leave them in there for an additional 10 minutes. And just adjust yours. If yours are about my size, then you'll need about 55 minutes. If they're smaller, then 45 should be enough. So let's go ahead and close it and leave them in there for an additional 10 minutes. Okay, so our potatoes have cooked for an additional 10 minutes and now they're done. We're gonna go ahead and remove them from the oven. All right, so here I have my potato. It's nice and done. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut into it. And you see how they're nice and crispy? And there it is. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some butter. Okay, just spread that evenly. All right, and then I'm gonna add some cheese. Okay, there we go. And then I'm gonna add some bacon bits. Okay, and then we're gonna add some green onion. Okay, and we're gonna put that back in the oven for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so here I have my potatoes ready to go. I'm gonna put them in the oven for 2 to 3 minutes just so the cheese melts and gets nice and bubbly. All right, so our potatoes are out of the oven. They're nice and hot. So I'm just gonna grab one. It looks so delicious. Okay, and to this, I'm just gonna add a dollop of sour cream to the top like that. There you have it, guys. This is definitely a beautiful side dish. It's so delicious. You can have it as a side dish to a nice big steak or some chicken. So good. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe.